Welcome back to Royale Drive, where we bring you the future of performance and design. Today, we're taking you into the next chapter of Audi's history with something truly special: the Audi Concept-C. This car is more than a prototype. It's a statement, a promise of what Audi's design and engineering will look like as we approach 2030. Imagine the spirit of the legendary Audi R8 fused with the DNA of the Audi TT, then pushed into the future. Concept-C is not just about speed. It's about what it feels like to sit inside a car that looks like it belongs in 2035. So buckle up, because this is not just a review, it's a vision of what's coming next. The first thing you notice about Concept-C is how radical yet elegant it looks. The front is unmistakably Audi, but redefined. The single-frame grille has been reimagined, cleaner, sharper, and more aerodynamic than ever. The headlights are razor-thin, fully digital, and almost look alive when they light up. Its bodywork is smooth, sculpted, and extremely aerodynamic. Every curve has been designed to reduce drag and improve range. From the side, the car's proportions remind you of the R8, long, low, and wide, but with softer, futuristic lines. At the back, you get a full-width OLED light bar and a sculpted diffuser that looks like it belongs on a Le Mans car. This isn't just designed for the sake of beauty. Every surface plays a role in performance. Underneath the beautiful design lies Audi's most advanced electric performance platform yet. Though Audi hasn't shared official numbers, insiders suggest over 700 horsepower from a dual-motor setup with torque vectoring. That means 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds and a range of roughly 350 miles, putting it right next to the Porsche Taycan Turbo S and Tesla Model S Plaid. And then there's the technology. Concept-C comes with an active aero system, meaning the car adjusts its shape depending on how fast you're going. On a track, it generates maximum downforce. On the highway, it becomes slippery for maximum efficiency. Audi's legendary Quattro system is fully electric here, giving you instant torque to all 4 wheels and cornering precision that feels almost impossible. The cabin is driver-focused, but feels like a luxury lounge from the future. The dashboard is one continuous digital display that wraps around the driver, giving you augmented reality navigation, performance data, and even AI-powered driving suggestions. Seats are fully adaptive, adjusting automatically to your posture and driving style. The yoke-style steering wheel, ambient lighting that changes with driving modes, and gesture-based controls make it feel more like piloting a spaceship than driving a car. Audi has even teased that Concept-C might have Level 3 autonomy, meaning it could drive itself in certain conditions while you sit back and relax. So where does this car stand against the competition? Concept-C is Audi's answer to the Porsche Taycan, Mercedes EQ lineup, and Tesla's next-gen Roadster. But more importantly, it shows that Audi isn't just building EVs, they're building emotional experiences. This car is proof that performance, design, and technology can all exist in harmony. And if Audi puts even 80% of this concept into production, it could easily become one of the most exciting electric cars of the decade. So here's the question. Is this the car that brings back the spirit of the Audi R8 for the EV era? We think so. Concept-C shows us that the future of driving doesn't have to be boring. It can be faster, smarter, and more beautiful than ever. If this is what Audi's future looks like, then 2027 and beyond are going to be incredible years for performance car fans. This was Royale Drive, your front row seat to the cars of tomorrow. Make sure you hit like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments. Would you buy Concept-C if it launched exactly like this? Because next week, we're looking at the top 10 EV supercars that could define the next decade. And you do not want to miss it.